guys, so I'm gonna show you here how I did the trick of putting together a chord with my tongue. It's fairly easy. All you need is a normal chord. You can even do it with your shoe ties, and it's very important that you tie a knot so that you create a circle with your chord, which is exactly what I'm doing here. And the knot is actually like a proper knot. It's nothing fake here. And you have a perfect circle with the chord. Here's where the magic happens. All you have to do is create a double circle. Then when you're creating the double circle with the chord, you're gonna put your fingers inside the outer circle so that you create this knot here, this one here. And then you're gonna have to hide this little thing with your fingers so that nobody sees that. So in here, if I hide it, it looks like it's a double circle chord, but people are not gonna look at this kind of knot that we formed. So I'm gonna do it again. You have the chord, you turn your right hand towards the left, and then with your 3 fingers on your left hand, you're gonna put them inside the outer circle. And when you hold double circle, you're gonna have this created here. Once you have this created here, you're gonna be hiding it with your thumb and your index finger, and then you're gonna ask anyone to cut it. So just cut it right there. When you do this, you're still hiding the knot, but it looks like we have now 2 chords. But in reality, we are holding the knot there. And once you put this inside your mouth, all you have to do with your tongue is remove this little part, and then when you put it out your mouth, it's gonna look like you just put it together. So remember, you're gonna be hiding this with your thumb and your index, then you're gonna show the public, listen, you have 2 different chords here. And then when you put it inside your mouth, you remove this, and bam. That's pretty much it. Pretty easy, yeah?